This 80s car is more than just an old ride. It's a part of my family's history. My grandpa drove it for years, and even though he's no longer here, his love for this car lives on. So after more than 30 years, I decided to restore and upgrade it, including building a powerful turbo setup. In the end, this car will hit the road again, just like my grandpa and I used to ride together when I was growing up. In the last phase of this project, I completely stripped the car down. Now it's time to remove all the rust, replace any corroded metal, and get it prepped for a full transformation. After restoring the body, I applied a rust-proof coating underneath the chassis for long-term protection. Then, I laid down multiple layers of paint to make sure the exterior not only looks amazing, but also holds up against time and weather. Suspension and brakes are crucial when restoring a classic car. They directly impact safety and drivability. I spent a lot of time upgrading and fine-tuning them to ensure a smooth, stable ride once it's back on the road. At this stage, most of the parts are ready for reassembly. There's still plenty of work to do, but I'm determined to bring this CRX back to life, just like the old days when my grandpa used to drive it. What do you think of this project? If you have any ideas or suggestions, drop a comment. Stay tuned for the next episode, where I'll take this build to the next level. See you in the next one.